So you can actually make up to $1,000 from this World Cup that they are just going to play. Here is how you can make such amount of money just by clipping some videos from this World Cup, post them on social media, and you can actually get paid. If you are really interested in making money online, or you have never been able to make money online before and you're looking out to change your life with social media automation, then make sure that you watch this particular video to the end. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to this particular channel, and then let's get into it. So here is how you are going to go about it. The easiest one that you can do is by using TikTok, right? People can choose to use YouTube because YouTube just actually signed a deal with FIFA that YouTube is going to serve as the official platform for this World Cup 2026 that we are going to play. And therefore, you can actually be posting some of this clip or making commentary about this thing on YouTube, and you can get a lot of pay because YouTube is automatically going to push content about World Cup, content about football this particular season. You understand? So if you're able to make content of yourself or using AI to make commentary videos about the World Cup or something on YouTube, you are good to go. You can make a lot of money from this. But the method I want to teach you, that is the easiest one, is by TikTok. You understand? Because TikTok does not have a lot of copyright issues on TikTok. But for YouTube, it's difficult to monetize football content a little bit, but you need to put in extra effort. That is why I don't want to go deep into the YouTube. I want to go in for TikTok, right? So here is what you're going to do. The first step you need to go for is you need an international account or accounts from the countries that are that qualifies for the TikTok monetization program. Countries like the United Kingdom, the United States, France, Germany. Personally, I would recommend France and UK. United Kingdom. This is why if you are using United States, now there are lots of restrictions with the United States whereby you need to add tax information and then some documentation that if you're not a resident in the United States, you wouldn't be able to provide these documents and therefore you will not be able to withdraw your money. And then UK is okay, you can withdraw your money with UK, but between UK and France account grows faster to UK. That is to my personal experience, and the accounts I've been running, what I have witnessed so far. So you can get one of these. If you don't know how to get some of these accounts, I will leave the link in my bio. You can actually use this link and then you can get one of these account. Notes, it is not free, right? But I'm going to help you to teach you how to warm up the account and everything. So what you need is an international account, and then you warm up the account. You understand? There is a way you warm up the account by maybe searching videos about football, right? So you just get to TikTok and then you search videos about football or World Cup on that particular account, and then you watch the videos. Please listen, take your time to watch the videos, engage on the videos, right? Watch the videos and engage on the videos. You need to watch and engage so that the TikTok algorithm is going to trust your account and trust that you are interested in football. Therefore, if you also push football content, they are going to push it forward for you. We have few days for the World Cup to start, so you need to be part of the early birds. If you are going to start in the middle of the World Cup, please trust me, you might not be able to earn as how people who are starting before the World Cup is going to earn. Personally, I have one account that I've set aside for this thing. People are doing this like a month ago, 2 months ago. I just decided not to keep this information, share it with you so that you can also make a very good amount of money from this thing. So after getting this account and warming the account, now here's how you're going to do it. You don't need to be a professional video editor before you can be doing this. You can just, learn basic editing. You can just learn basic editing like how to cut, how to put things together, and you can actually get this thing for free on YouTube. Just search for how to use CapCut. So I'm going to advise you are going to need CapCut because CapCut is the easiest. You can either choose to use the pro version or the free version. All of them works, you understand? For this kind of thing, you can use the free version, but if you want to actually earn good amount of money through in good edits, please just try to pay and then pay for like a month for now, you understand? And then get a pro version because the pro version is very, very good. And also, if you need a CapCut too, just let me know in the comment section. We can form you a group, you understand? Yeah, we have it that we form you a group, then you'll be sharing the price so that it will come less. So if you're interested in that one too, just let me know in the comment section, or you can pick my WhatsApp number from the description below and then DM me on WhatsApp. They all work. So with this one, when you get the CapCut Pro, what you have to be doing is that anytime they are playing any match, you can screen record. Listen, do not download the whole video. You can screen record. If you're using an iPhone, you can easily screen record. If you're using an Android phone, you can also go and download a screen recorder, you understand, on your Android phone. and then you can screen record the match that they are playing. So you take the highlights part where they are scoring the goals, whatever thing they are doing. So make sure that anytime they are playing each match, as the match has not even ended, you can screen record some parts of the match, put them together, cut and put a sound under it, a trending sound under it, and post it on this particular account. Make sure that the videos you are posting is more than 1 minute. That is when you can get paid. But from the beginning, since your account have not gotten to 10,000 yet, you can be posting short videos to easily get the millions. Like maybe a particular goal that was nice, right? You just throw some edit on it, crop it some way, be anyhow you want to edit your own. You understand? You just edit it a little bit, and then you can even zoom in. Everything you're going to do is just going to make the video unique. Just maybe you can even add your account name on it, like put it on a screen like this, and it's going to make it out for you. Now you need to upload consistently. So as at the time they are playing the match, you just cut off some points, leave the match, come and edit this thing, post before they even finish the match, so that people who are going to search about this particular matches is going to see your video, and your video is going to be a trending video, and then you can easily get a 10,000 followers on TikTok. So that when you get a 10,000 followers, you get a chance to enter the TikTok monetization program. And when you get into the TikTok monetization program, now you make sure that each and every video you're going to post, the video should be more than 1 minute so that you can get paid. I have a way of getting foreign audience, which is the United States audience, because if you get a United States audience, that is when you get paid better. You understand? So if you want me to also show you the method that I personally use to get the United States audience, I normally teach this one to only my students that I teach TikTok automation, right? So you can actually use the link below to join my course, right, for the TikTok automation. In that course, I will be teaching you my method of getting the United States audience, foreign audience. You don't get audience in your country, so that I can get paid well. You understand? So the link will be in the description below. Let's continue. So if you use my method to get the foreign audience, now when you get 1 million views on one video, right? If you get 1 million views on one video, you can even get more than $100 from one video. You can get more than $100 from one video. So let's say that by the end of the month, or by the end of the World Cup, if you are to pick all these things, and then you get about maybe 5 videos getting million views, that is $500. If you get 10 videos getting million views, and each and every video and how much they are going to pay you, understand? It depends. So you can make good videos, post consistently, and even get consistent millions of views, because World Cup is being watched by billions of people. And if you create content about this thing, you're going to get a lot of money. I know somebody will be arguing that, yeah, after the World Cup, what's next? Yes, if after this World Cup and you have been able to even make $1,000 from this particular account, you are good to go, because you have not lost. You understand? You can also continue to use that account to be posting, to be posting throwback to the World Cup, right? Throwback to the World Cup. So you go and pick some of the World Cup old videos, like old videos from previous years, and then you put them together and you post. You put them together, you post. All these are ideas that you can use to actually be continuing with the account. So it doesn't matter that, okay, after this one, this, or after like the World Cup ends, what are you going to do? Please, you can continue to grow that account and make a lot of money from this. So this is how you can actually make up to $1,000 from this World Cup that is going to start in few days. I did not gatekeep this information. I shared it with you. So the little you can also do for me is to share this video to somebody, subscribe to the channel, and like this video, and ask any question you want to ask under the comment section, and I'll reply to you diligently. This is your creator in Smoke and the University of Success. And as always, the choice is yours. And I will see you